trying to find the best solution for, a landscape border, and this seems pretty interesting to me. But I don't know. I need a little bit of a curvature at one point. I guess you could cut these, but they seem bendable, but not as bendable as I probably need. You got the anchoring stakes. I already have the rubber, but it waves and it just doesn't look good. What's this? It's also plastic. I was thinking about something metal. No. So many different things. Fabric. Oh, there they are too. Edging, $6.98. This one's $21.98 for that. It's like an old school. How much are these? 32. Yeah, the other thing is it's 20 feet. That's not bad either. I definitely could cut it. I have something to cut that with shingles. I got a shingle pair of scissors.